Take a moment to check out the 2018 GMC Canyon. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This hard-working Canyon delivers impressive towing and hauling capability and a smooth, agile driving experience. Midsize convenience makes this pickup your go-to in a wide range of settings, and its modern, well-equipped cabin ensures that you're comfortable and connected wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, backup camera, fog lamps. Modern comfort blends with impressive capability in this can-do Canyon. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.